Ever wondered how to make the perfect chicken Alfredo at home? Today, we're diving into the art of crafting this classic Italian dish. Our step-by-step guide will have you mastering the flavors of chicken Alfredo in no time. You'll need a few simple ingredients: chicken breasts, fettuccine pasta, heavy cream, a knob of butter, a hint of garlic, Parmesan cheese, and a dash of salt and pepper. So, are you ready to transport your taste buds to Italy? Stick with us to learn how to whip up this classic Italian dish in your own kitchen. Start by seasoning the chicken breasts with salt and pepper on both sides. This simple step will unlock a world of flavor and ensure your chicken is seasoned to perfection. Next, heat a pan over medium heat. You'll want to get it nice and hot, but not smoking. Once heated, add a splash of oil. This will help your chicken get that irresistible golden brown crust. Now, it's time to cook the chicken. Place your seasoned chicken breasts into the pan. Listen to that sizzle. That's the sound of flavor development. Cook until it's golden brown on both sides and cooked through. Remember, patience is key here. Overcooking the chicken will make it tough and dry, which is a no-go for our chicken Alfredo. Chicken is a delicate protein. It needs to be cooked just right to keep it juicy and flavorful. Once your chicken is perfectly cooked, set it aside and let's move on to the pasta. While the chicken is cooking, start boiling your fettuccine. Now, it's time to dive into the art of pasta cooking. The key is to follow the package instructions. They've been tested extensively to ensure your pasta comes out perfectly cooked every time. As you immerse the fettuccine in boiling water, you might be wondering what al dente means. It's an Italian term that translates to the tooth, which is just a fancy way of saying that the pasta should be cooked so it's still firm when bitten. Not too soft, not too hard, just right. Achieving the al dente texture is crucial for our chicken Alfredo, as it allows the pasta to absorb the sauce better, providing a harmonious blend of flavors in every bite. Once the pasta is perfectly al dente, it's time to drain it. Drain your pasta, but remember to save a cup of pasta water for later. This starchy, salty water is a secret weapon in our next step, making the Alfredo sauce. Now, onto the heart of the dish, the Alfredo sauce. The magic begins with a pat of butter, melting gently in a pan. We are setting the stage for an opera of flavors, a symphony of textures. As it bubbles and froths, it's time to add our star performer, the minced garlic. Sauté it until the aroma fills the room, a tantalizing promise of the deliciousness to come. Now, we usher in the heavy cream. Pour it in, watch as it mingles with the butter and garlic, forming a rich, velvety base for our sauce. Let it simmer but not boil. We're coaxing the flavors out, not forcing them. The next act features our Parmesan cheese. Introduce it to the cream bit by bit, stirring continuously. This is not a step to rush. Take your time. Let each morsel of cheese melt into the sauce, becoming one with it. This is the heart of the Alfredo, a harmony of cream and cheese brought together with patience and care. Here's a secret: the key to a great Alfredo sauce is in the stirring. Keep that spoon moving, don't let the sauce sit idle. This prevents burning, ensuring that the sauce remains smooth, rich, and creamy. Once your sauce is smooth and creamy, season it with salt and pepper. Voila! You've just made a classic Alfredo sauce. A sauce that's more than just a topping, it's the soul of your chicken Alfredo. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. We've cooked our chicken, we've boiled our pasta, and we've crafted a creamy Alfredo sauce. Now, the magic happens. Start by slicing the perfectly cooked chicken into bite-sized pieces. This not only makes it easier to eat, but also allows the flavors to meld more effectively. Next, introduce the chicken to the Alfredo sauce. Let them get to know each other for a moment. This will ensure that every piece of chicken is lovingly coated in that deliciously creamy sauce. Now it's time for the pasta. Add the cooked pasta directly into the sauce and chicken. If you find the sauce to be too thick, don't worry. Remember that pasta water we saved? Add a bit of it to loosen the sauce and achieve the perfect consistency. Stir everything together until the pasta is fully coated in the sauce. Make sure every strand of pasta is covered for a complete flavor experience. And there you have it. Your homemade chicken Alfredo is ready to serve. Enjoy your meal.